Hey, what's up, guys? Chris here. Lovely Sunday evening here in South Florida. I'm out with the homie JT right now. Pulled up to his parents' crib, detailing our cars a little bit right now. As you guys can see, homie's over there getting his Miata right. About to take these bad boys to the car wash, get them washed, get them cleaned up. And yeah, get on the road. Homie's Miata. Got the Hell Yeah Brother sticker on there. Homie's Miata is sick, man. Little project car. Like the wheels on there. Got the Kanzai. I think these are 15s. I gotta get some wheels on mine, man. I cannot wait. I've been on Fitment Industries trying to find some. Shout out to the homie Dustin, Legends, Spirit of Driving. You already know the vibes. But yeah, man, as soon as I get some wheels on my baby, she should be looking like something. Had to get the Legends blanket. Threw it on my back seat. Thought it was pretty sick. Got the Midnight Legends windshield decal. But yeah, man, about to take these to the car wash and get them cleaned up, man. I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, Chris back here. We are at the car wash now. We just left the homie's parents' house and detailing the vehicles and stuff like that. We are back here at the car wash. The homie's about to go ahead and wash his car down. Got my Sonata back there in the back, waiting for her rinse down. And we are here. Nice walk around. Car, she's all dirty right now. We about to get all of that off of her. She's all extra dirty. I should turn my car off for now. But yeah, guys, some late night car washing. We got a homie over there with his 350Z. It's pretty clean. We getting some late night washes, man. Homie say he's hard topping his Miata. Taking off the soft top here. No more soft top, no more convertible. Wants to hard top it. Think about wrapping it? Or no? Repaint it. This thing is fucking sick though. I'm not gonna lie, this decal even brings it out a little more. I like that for sure. You just put that on there tonight. Put that decal sticker on there. We are out here, boys. The homie, got his 350Z. That thing's pretty clean. I like it. South Florida vibes, guys. Guys know what it is, man. I am still in the making to do more things to my car. Still want to put some more wheels tires on her. She's still sitting on stock right now, but that's okay. Eventually, you know, we having her sitting right, man. We come back, definitely have her looking right for sure. Nice little sick rings. Midnight Legends, baby. Outside. Outside. Got my little small KDM, even though this is not an I-20N. I just like the look of the sticker though. I thought it matches the car. Definitely thought it kind of resembled the car in a good way. You know, shape, form, fashion, for sure. But she's clean, man. I like her, guys. I still really want to save up for that R34. That is definitely a dream car of mine when I was a kid. People used to ask me what kind of car you want. I used to always say Skyline. Until I heard that it was illegal over here in the States, and then I kind of drifted away from the want of wanting a Skyline. But it's definitely, you know, I definitely still want to manifest one. I definitely still want to try to, yeah, just manifest one into my life eventually, sooner or later, you know, for sure, which I believe it can happen. I spoke on things before in life and they've come to existence. So I'm not saying everything has, but a lot of things have. So you never know, man. The Skyline could be one of them. For right now, we are in my 2019 Sonata. It's not a sport, not anything special or anything, just a regular SE standard edition, standard model. So nothing crazy, but you know, it's just something for now. So yeah, man. Guys, so we have pulled mine into the bay. About to give her a good rinse down, good wash down. She's pretty dirty. Make sure you guys get the rim walls, man. Make sure you get those rim walls, guys. All right, guys, she is all cleaned up. Wiped her down. Didn't throw any tire shine on her though or nothing, but for now anyway, I probably will in the morning when they dry off. She is all clean, looking nice, looking good. Quick walk around of the car. Midnight Legends, baby. So what? Don't be scared. We out here. We about to throw that bit a couple times, y'all. We just now went ahead and wiped my baby down, got her right, got her good, got her clean. The homie about to come around the corner right here and start slanging it. Yeah. Y'all see him. Y'all see him. Yeah. That's how we do it, boys. Midnight Legends. Fortunately, I can't do that in my car. I got an automatic. I'm not doing that in mine. Yeah. I got you.
Appreciate it, bro.
I was sick, man. Couple turns, couple whips. All right, guys, let's get out of here, man. That was cool. Get my stuff right. Don't mind all my extra wiring, guys. It's temporary madness right now, guys. It's just temporary madness. Like I said, guys, it's a pretty chill night out here tonight. Nice little Sunday night cruise, man. Nothing special, nothing too special going on. Like I said, this is one of my first vlogs really getting back on my YouTube uploads and posts. This is something a little different outside of my normal gaming that I normally do. You know. But like I told you guys, man, I've been really inspired watching a lot of different people make their own content, creating their own content, man, and seeing the journeys that it's taken them on. So I myself just wanted to definitely, you know, just try to, you know, enjoy some of those same excitements and thrills, man, because I love cars. My dad has always loved cars, you know. So just growing up as a kid and being around my dad all the time, man, you know, just a car lover. So definitely want to make content, man. I want to see where the journey could possibly take me in the near future. Who knows, you know? So, but yeah, guys, hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Like I said, it's one of my first uploads, man. I definitely want to get a little bit more comfortable and a little bit more understanding on how I really want to go about making my videos and my vlogs, and just, you know, car tent as a whole. I like how the homie just hit the corner just now. That was pretty nice. He just threw it around the corner. But yeah, guys, comment down below, man. What is one of your favorite cars, or what is one of the favorite cars that you hope to get your hands on one day? Or maybe where's a dream spot? Where's a dream spot or place, or maybe a road that you would have, that you've always wanted to drive your car through or down, or, you know, stuff like that. All right, guys, we have made it to the gas station. Homie's gonna fill up on gas. I'll be all right for now. I don't really need to get gas at the moment. I should be okay. Homie said he wanted to get up out of there. He did a couple of them donuts and was like, I'm gone. I'm out. Now I feel it, man. See how much tire, see how much rubber he burned. We're looking clean, boys. We're looking clean, man. Little late night car wash runs, man. You know, nothing special. It's Sunday night. There's nothing too much going on out here. Pretty empty gas station out here for the night. So we just out here, guys. Just did a quick little run. Let's get some quick back shots from the back side. Backside, out. Once again, shout out to the homie Dustins and the whole Legends team. Guys, know the vibes, man. All right, that's gonna conclude pretty much our night, guys. Just left the car wash, like I said. Nothing special, huh? The homie wants to keep drifting. We can keep drifting. I'm down. I don't care. He knows the spot. The homie say he knows the spot. Bro say he knows a spot. So we finna go follow him, and we want to keep drifting. So we gonna go with bro. He gonna throw that bit a couple times, and we gonna see where the night leads us, guys. So. Alright. We'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so actually change of plans. The homie, we're actually just gonna go ahead and take it on in for the night, man. Take it on in home for the night. The homie said his car feels a little weird right now, so I definitely understand. I would take my car on in and park it for the night as well if my car was feeling a little weird too. So, but yeah, man. Like I said, this is my first vlog. My first vlog as far as with the car content. I do hope you guys subscribe and like the channel. And just bear with me on as far as getting the videos, you know, more enjoyable to watch as far as my editing and just making them more, you know, like an actual, you know, cool, dope channel to watch. So, yeah, man, hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, we didn't really get into too much tonight. It was just a car wash, you know, just a little car wash night run, you know, which is cool. See another little 350Z out there tonight, you know, wasn't too much going on, man. Sunday night in Southwest Florida. You guys know the vibes, man. But like I said, man, like, subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here for the night. You guys be safe out there. If you guys are out on the road right now, make sure you guys make it home safe. And I will see you guys in the next one, man. You guys take it easy. Peace.